hot is it where you guys are at? Because here, I can't breathe. It feels like every day is getting worse. And this is why I have to live my life right. I can't go to hell. And I swear, whenever I drink water, the heavens just open up and it's like God shines down on me. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Sierra LaFay, and I think for today's video I'm going to do 5 tips on how to minimize heat damage. And these are tips that I haven't shared with you guys before. And if you're new to my channel, be sure to check out the other videos that I have about heat trained hair if you are interested in that lifestyle. I felt like I wanted to say something else. I can't remember. Alright, so I'm going to start off with the most obvious tip. Use a heat protectant. The one I like to use is the Chi Iron Guard Spray. I used to use the Tresemme heat protectant, but I just found that I like the Chi a little bit more. What I've actually do now that it's super hot and the sun is out is maybe 3 to 4 times a week before I go outside, I actually spray my hair with heat protectant just to kind of help protect my hair against the sun's heat. Now, does that actually work? But before you put on your hair or whenever you put heat on it, be sure to use a heat protectant first. Alright, this leads into my next tip. Your hair's health really comes from the inside out. So if you're not eating right or drinking a lot of water, there's only so much a heat protectant can actually do. Oh, I remember what I wanted to say. Thank you guys for the compliments about the braids. I was actually feeling a little self-conscious about them, and as you can see, they already look a mess. I'm gonna redo them next week. I feel like when I do my braids, they only last a week, so when I do it next week, I'll film that and upload that for you guys. Okay, the third tip is that you not only want to deep condition, but you also want to do a pre-poo treatment whenever you're going to apply a lot of heat on your hair. So I have a video below that shows my pre-poo treatment, but pre-poo treatment is basically something that you do before you actually shampoo your hair. It's really just helping to put oils and moisture into your hair in addition to the moisture you're going to put in your hair with the deep conditioning treatment. Number 4, your hair must have a balance of moisture and protein. Now, protein basically helps to strengthen the hair, while moisture allows your hair to keep its elasticity. At least that's what I think it does. But I'll have my video link down below of how I do my protein treatments, and you don't want to use necessarily just egg and mayonnaise because it really doesn't do anything for the hair. You want to actually invest in a hydrolyzed protein treatment, and the one I use is only $10. So I use a protein treatment once a month, and then I make sure to deep condition the other 3 weeks out of the month. Alright, the last tip is that after you wash your hair, and I remember my stylist used to do this when I was a kid, she would put our hair in like bantu knots, and then we would sit under the dryer for maybe like 10-15 minutes to kind of help our hair to dry a little bit, and then she would take us from under the chair and actually blow dry our hair. Now what you're supposed to do is wait after you wash your hair before you actually blow dry it, because once your hair has been immersed in water, the cuticles are completely open. Yeah, the cuticles are completely open. When your cuticles are open, that's when your hair is at the weakest state. So you want to give your hair a little bit of time for the cuticle to close down a little bit, and then you can go ahead and start blow drying your hair. Now you don't want to wait till your hair is completely dry, because at that point your hair is really prone to more breakage. Waiting at least 15 to 20 minutes and then blow drying your hair will help a lot with minimizing the damage. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please leave a comment below if you have any additional tips or any questions, and until next video, ciao.